Hello everyone, you're watching Data Analytics Professionals and I'm Shahnaz Malik and let's begin today's lecture. Well, as all of you know, this is a series on SQL for data analysts and data scientists, and current topic for this lecture is CRUD operations. Okay, and this is lecture number 30th given by myself. Okay, let's quickly jump into the main meat of this lecture. So CRUD operations or foundation operations, every data analyst, data scientist, database developer, and database administrators need to understand. And there can be many more titles, job titles, but these are really important concepts and important operations. And CRUD is an acronym that stands for create, C for create, R for read, and U for update, and D for delete. These are the four most basic operations that can be performed with most traditional database systems, and they are the backbone for interacting with any database. Now, there is not too much to speak more about. This. I would take a separately create and make a lecture on that, and same and likewise read, update, and go a bit more in detail. But I would like to keep this very simple. This lecture, so I'm going to stop here, and let's see everything else in the coming videos. Okay. So, if you like this short video, then please subscribe, connect to my account if you haven't until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. And I hope to see all of you in next video. Until then, thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professionals. Remember, sharing is caring, and with that, it's time to say goodbye.